Welcome to my Operations Management YouTube channel. Let's talk a little bit about my background and why I felt like I should put together this channel. I have a PhD in Operations Management from Georgia State University. I've taught Operations Management for 25 years now. Not only that, I've taught Operations Management online for 15 years. In fact, at the university I was teaching at the time, I was the very first professor to put any course online. I have consulted with textbook publishers in Operations Management, and I've worked on about 25 different textbooks. Now let's talk a little bit about this channel. I created this channel to store my lectures for my online Operations Management course. Originally, I was going to store the lectures in our learning management system and just make it available to my students. However, I decided that I would put it on YouTube so other students studying Operations Management could also view my lectures. In creating this channel, I will be creating the videos on the topics that we cover in my class first. Once I finish that, if the channel is popular, I will begin putting together videos on topics that I don't cover in class but which are part of Operations Management. So, like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. This channel will only cover Operations Management concepts. The reason for that is I've already put together video tutorials on how to work all of the problems in Operations Management, and I didn't want to repeat those here. If you're in my courses at the university where I teach, those tutorials are available in the content menu of D2L. If you're a YouTube listener, they are available in my MOOC on udemy.com at the URL you see on the screen. That's a long URL to type in from a video, so I'll put a link to it in the description. I've also created a shortened version, tinyurl.com/operationsrr. See you there.